again. Carter family. Carter family. It's never a bad day to do Carter family. Word Man Blues. I don't know how many times this song has been covered. I've heard so many versions. I just heard like Van Morrison type cover of it the other day. I was like, that's pretty cool. It was actually pretty cool. Uh, so three different ways: a little claw, a little straight picking, a little strumming. All works. This, this is just a good all around song. I don't need to talk about it. You guys all know it. I don't need to talk at all. Why do I talk at all? Because I gotta teach. So, basic melody line with the pick. Let's get you on the camera. That last line, you can do whatever you want. Oh yeah, I should mention too. Okay, original Carter family. It takes word man, sing a word song. Takes word man, sing a word song. But well, I'm worried now, but I won't be word long. So you do that twice instead of three times. All modern day stuff you hear today is three times. It takes word man, sing a word song. Takes word man, sing a word song. Takes a word man, sing a word song. I'm worried now, but I won't be word long. So yeah, I don't know why I brought that up. But if you listen to the original Carter family, so you're gonna hear it twice and then the turnaround. But in this one, in modern everything since, even the newfangled Carter family, whatever they call themselves, the four sisters, the newfangled Carter family. That's probably a really good name right there. I should have told them that back in the day, right when I was 2. So yeah, so we're doing it 3 times. That's all there is to it. Do I need to go into this, people? I should. It's nice and slow. That's a good simplified version. Okay, so now the trouble comes, right? Because that right there. That's how you start the song. So double note. Now that's all fine and good when you're with a pick, but that screws up your rhythm when you're doing it with that whole pinch strum message, right? So basically what I do is I do it once, and then that strum is a second time. So you're screwing me up. See, I'm not perfect. I never said I was, but well, I do say that sometimes. But I screwed it. It keeps screwing me up. That double note, because you go right into the first fret. So on your second pinch, you should be on the first fret middle string. No, because because there was a pause there. I get it going once and I try to come back into it just to keep doing it over and over again. No. There we go. Got it there. Finally. So that's it for the song. It just goes over and over and over again. Takes a word down, sing a word song, and I went across the river. I laid down to sleep 3 times. I woke up, shackles on my feet. Oh. Alright, let's not get into this here. Alright, that's it. Word Man Blues. Carter family. Practice patience. Have fun. We'll see you guys next time.